In this video, I am going to explain you about installation of our modular touch. So this is our modular touch and this is the plate. So we need to remove the outer plate and we need to install this modular into inner plate. That's it. It has been installed. So we need to give phase and neutral to the input terminals. So this is our phase and this is our neutral. That's it has been installed. So we need to give loads to the L1, L2, L3 and L4. That's it. This is a simple and easy steps to install the modular touch. Now we are going to give the power to the modular touch. So we are turning on these switches and we are inserting the outer plate. That's it. This is a simple and easy process to install the modular touch.